got something I want to announce to everybody. Ugh, I got some fuzz on my face. As you can see behind me, I have something that we are going to get ready to start a restoration renovation project on. As a lot of you know, I've got the little farm thing that we're working on, you know, and we were trying to figure out the best way to get out here quickly. This is probably not the best way, but it is a very unique way, and it'll be something that we can just keep out here either on this part or maybe on the back part of the land or something like that for, you know, children, grandchildren as they age and come, and, you know, and who knows, I don't know what we'll do with it. We're just going to get it ready enough so we can stay out here and work on this farm area that we're trying to get started, because it's just a pain in the butt having to drive back and forth and try to get out here and all this kind of stuff. So what we have is a 1985 Airstream that needs a lot of work, but you know, hey, that's just part of it. I think it's 30 feet long, and I think this is the, what it says, Sovereign. So I don't know that much about Airstreams, but I think it's a Sovereign, and we had to pull it out of of an old horse farm the other day, and through the mud I had to put my F-250 and lock the tires in and all that to pull this thing up a hill. We got a little bit of mud on the way home, but it didn't look like it did any damage or anything like that. But anyway, come on in real quick, and I want you to see the inside and what we've got going on. Real quick, it has pretty much been gutted. The guy that had this owns Tennessee Tiny Homes, I think is his company, and he had already built one for another customer, and he bought this one to do it, and then just something happened with their building and they didn't have a place to store it, and he needed to sell it. So I thought I would take on the challenge. I'm not really sure if that's smart or not, but anyway, so it's been gutted for the most part, and we got some plumbing stuff here. I don't want to go through a whole thing today. This is just to kind of announce the series that I'm going to have, which I guess I'm going to call the Airstream on the Farm or something like that. That's going to be added to my my YouTube channel, which right now is Doug Ford Sr. I might change it to Racer Doug. I don't really know. I'm struggling with that. If you have a comment, please let me know. Doug Ford Sr.'s kind of blah. You know, I've had Racer Doug, which is RACRDUG, which is the license plate stuff. That's how I came up with that, and I may go back to that. So if you're coming up on this video, you can check Doug Ford Sr. You can also check Racer Doug. But anyway, you can see it's gutted. Some of the stuff is still here. We plugged it up the other day. Nice little, you know, antique mirror and whatever. So some of this stuff we may keep, some of this stuff we may not. Depend on, you know, how quickly we can get it done. But turn around real quick. You can see the front's been kind of gutted to a certain degree. Today is the very first day that we're going to try to start doing something with this thing. I guess the first process is just cleaning it out and maybe insulating put some insulation down here, because Airstreams are, that's the bottom of the Airstream, they are sealed. So today is the announcement. It is what I'm going to be working my butt off on for the next 30, 45, 60 days to get done, so that we can get out here and start working on all the other projects. So I'd love to have you guys along for the ride. Like it, share it. If you know anybody that's interested in Airstreams and tiny homes and restoration stuff, we're gonna have fun with this one. And you know, subscribe if you want to go along for the ride. And I'll see you guys on episode number 2.